Well, hello. Welcome back to Railroads Online. And you know what's better than one locomotive, a new locomotive, and a second locomotive here in the San Juan Western. This one here named Cookie, and the SJ and W. New Cook consolidation add here to Railroads Online. Named the Cookie because, well, that's cookies in the firebox. It's a Cook Mogul Cookie, whatever. Definitely been a couple updates. If I've seen the last episode, you saw this locomotive, and that now this thing is here, and a couple other things. I left this sitting for a while. Let's see if she still has fire. Yep. So I bought 8 flat cars, and about 8 flat cars and stuff. The freight depot's over there. We'll be heading down to the sawmill, change a couple stuff over there, and I'm gonna show quickly, and then we're gonna head out to the new section of the railroad that we're gonna be going basically downhill and stuff. So it's gonna be to the smelter, and at the smelter build some stuff, and I don't like to show building because it's kind of boring. Plus they don't have anything to talk to or anyone to talk to. So I'm probably gonna do it off screen and show just the last part. I just love this new locomotive. I think it has the same stuff, same line work and stuff as the as a class 70, but at the same time I don't know. Also, I think this model's from Train Simulator because how it looks and stuff. So here's the first change. What did this thing that goes all the way up there and then loops into the sawmill, so we can make basically a complete loop back. Probably also gonna add one that goes up and over there. I just love how it looks, the line work and everything. So I also love the winner. Everything's white on white, and then you have this very colorful locomotive in the middle of it. So we head over here for the first bridge I place on this map. It's a very well, so I'll go over here. We're heading down to the smelter. The first bridge I did not place on the map. Here's I placed some other ones. At this point I'm just going crazy. But that's one of the first bridge that I placed one. This area over here that's full of bridges. Purely full of bridges. So next episode we're probably gonna be heading up to the iron mine, and well, going up to the iron mine with a full train. Probably can pull four well, yeah, like about 4 cars up the pass. That's probably gonna be 5 to 6%. I want to try to make it as steep as Cumbres Pass, but I don't know how steep it's really gonna be. But I'm gonna try to keep it as shallow as possible. No, bad cook. You're a bad cook. You're a very bad cook. Where here's the tender. So when the fire was showing through the bottom of the tender, so it's not too historically accurate. Railroads Online. So we're gonna have to put it like that. Yep. And the match is not rolling because we're not on a gradient. But this is just a beautiful sight, especially looking down at the canyon. I wonder if I could have made a path that goes through there all the way down here, because I would not have to add done the stuff that I did just to put the elevation down. So as we get absolutely destroyed by the cook. So I also got a new mic, if you haven't noticed. Now it's not too silent as it was before. And no power. They also, probably the next thing I'm gonna buy is the snowplow, because I know how to waste money and not make money in this game. So I think I was cooking a bit too much in the cook. So heading down the pass, you can see a very beautiful Railroads Online, where your eyes hurt because there's so much white on white, because Railroads Online stuff. This is probably the most unrealistic bridge in the whole thing. Could have made less of a bridge over there and slowly going down. But who likes realism, right? So I thought we were gonna get a bit more for the Christmas update, but it looks like no. We did get a new locomotive and a snowplow, so we really can't complain, but same time I'm gonna complain. We got oh Jesus Christ, forgot how to speak English for a moment. Got more than double the locomotives that we had before, so that's definitely better. I'm definitely gonna change this bridge out for a normal wooden trestle, because steel trestle here is not too realistic. And this here is gonna be realistic-ish. I'm just gonna coast down. I wonder when the spline of this is gonna come out, because the jittering of this locomotive is insane. We're cooking it a bit too much. Let's start to slow. We're here at the smelter. Here at the smelter we can see it's double tracked for some of it. Basically, you want to store your big trains without having to put them in the yard up here. This is not equipped for big trains. You have to make them into smaller trains, and then those smaller trains you're gonna have to make them into bigger trains. you want to leave. So now we're just gonna go in reverse. Please stop. Okay, thank you. That may catch up to me, but I don't know. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's fast. Oh, God. My train's running away. Someone catch the train, please. Oh, God. After my train ran away. We can... Over here is the unloading station here at the smelter. Nothing new, nothing new. But that train just bonked into the end. Here's the iron ore, and here's the cordwood. That's probably gonna be the next thing I'm gonna deliver. I think that's correct, right? Yeah, I think it was built like that. Oh, God. But I think that's gonna call it a small episode just to get you guys updated with everything. Because then they're still on the track, but... The locomotives kind of decided to go break the laws of physics. But that's gonna be calling it an episode. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and see you later, and subscribe.